Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to lay and style a wig. There's a lot of videos showing you how to cut and glue, and for someone who is picking up a wig for the first time, I know it can be a little complicated because even I don't have that technique dominated. So here's a little trick I picked up on how to hide the lace and lay your wig with just gel. So this is the wig I'm going to be using today. I already cut the lace. This is from Myfirstwig. Their wigs are made specifically for beginners. The way they have it customized is for you to be able to pull it out the box and just pop it on your head after cutting the lace off. And it comes with a comb, 2 clips, bobby pins, and this first tamer, which I'll be showing you guys later how that works. The first thing I'm going to do is straighten the wig. There's a couple of bumps at the very top, which I kind of want to get rid of a little bit. You can always grab some mousse and blow dry that down so that your wig lays flat. But again, I'm keeping this version very simplified because I'm trying to keep it as easy as possible. And now to hide the lace, I'm going to go ahead and take some of the front wig pieces and I'm going to pull them forward. I do have like 1 or 2 baby hairs sticking out because of course I have so many baby hairs that they just stay there. So what I'm going to do is grab some of my Eco Styler gel and apply that onto the wig hair and start combing that with a rat tail comb and shaping that. Once I have the basic shape that I want, I'm going to go ahead and grab an old toothbrush and start combing that back and tucking that hair behind my ear. Now I'm going to leave that alone for a sec while the gel dries, and I'm going to move on to the other side of my head. I'm going to grab the front piece of the wig as well and slick that back and tuck it behind my other ear. And I did grab a little bit of Eco Styler gel and applied it onto the front just to make sure that laid flat. Now to make sure the other side stayed and also to give it a little bit more of a accessory, I decided to stack on a couple of bobby pins on there. You know, like that trend that was going around. If you have colorful bobby pins or colorful clips, I think that works even better. But I went ahead and applied that on there. And I did add just one on the other side, even though you can't really see it, but just to make sure that hair doesn't move. Now I'm going to take this first tamer that came in the bag. It works like a glue stick. It's meant to slick down all of those tiny little pieces that stick up at the very top of your wig. For one, this thing smells really good. I would compare it to a pomade, except it doesn't leave your hair feeling really greasy. The last thing I'm going to do is go ahead and grab a little bit of some concealer or foundation shade and apply that with a brush to the parting, just to give the parting a more natural look. Again, this is perfect if you really quickly want to lay your wig and head out the door, or if you're a beginner and you're still trying to master the other technique, this is a perfect way to hide your lace. I hope you guys enjoyed this simplified version. That is all I have for you guys today, and I will see you guys in my next video.